Hi guys, welcome back again to another cooking tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how I make my stew kalami. For some people that don't know what kalami is, like just like spinach but way better, tastes better. But I got all my stuff ready. I got my kalami here. I add a little bit of spinach since they're like twins, and I have my bell pepper and onion sliced up, and I have my seasonings of my choice and my shrimp. I always add fish, so this time I was like, let me add shrimp and my oil. First we're going to do season up the shrimp, season it to your satisfaction. You can put salt, you can use salt as your seasoning, you can use whatever thing you want to use as your seasoning, but I'm using seasoning, of course, because I want it to have taste. Okay, don't blame me, okay? But mix that thing up and we're about to go fry it. Now we on the stove. Put your oil, make sure your oil comes to a warming point. Make sure it get warm, make sure it warm actually. And then fries. You know how to fry shrimp, right? Just fry it. Or if you just want to put it like that in the process, that's fine too, but I like to fry it because I wanted the crunchy. I want the crunchy. I want when I eat the kalami, it's good. And just fry like that. And for you people that don't know what kalami is, it's just like spinach, but better, tastes way better than spinach. And no, they don't have it in the States. Maybe they do, maybe they don't, but I think they don't, because I've walked all over the America stores, but they don't have it. So if you know where I can get kalami from, please, I'm begging you, comment down below or add me on my social media platform and talk to me. Let me know where I can get it, please. I'm begging you because I need it. This is my favorite process ever. See how crunchy it look? It's my favorite process ever. For this month that I made this, I've eaten more than three times, because my mom had a lot, like a whole trash bag of it that her friend plants for her in her backyard. So next thing we're going to do is just make sure we fry our bell pepper and onions. And no, I didn't put all the bell pepper because I needed some to blend with the pepper. Yep. So like I was saying on my story. So put all your seasoning. After that I'll talk about my story. Put all your seasoning inside, seasoning of your choice, whatever seasoning that you like of your choice. And mix. And now we're about to blend our pepper and the little bell pepper and onions together. Please make sure you don't put no water in your blender, because kalami don't need no water. Kalami don't need water. Kalami is like spinach. You put too much water, you're not gonna get what you want. You're not gonna get the taste. And just blend. And the next thing we're going to do, make sure you blend like that. See, there's no water in there. I have to take the pepper stick out and put in the pot. I already put in the pot, but I didn't show you guys, but sorry. Now put in our kalami and little spinach on the side. I will post a picture of our kalami look, the leaf, so you guys can probably help me look around for it. Put your kalami inside and mix. Make sure it gets all the fried bell pepper and onions mixed up together. And you guys see, I even add another bell pepper inside, because that's how I like my pepper. I like my food spicy. And if your kalami is not spicy, then what it is. And put your crunchy shrimp inside and mix. We're not going to cook this for too long, probably like 10-15 minutes, and take it out on a low heat. After this, put it on a low heat. Please don't get it burned. So like I was saying, my mom have this friend in Hagerstown that just she plants a whole lot of it for her in her backyard, so at the back of her house. So I keep complaining to my mom, because my mom know kalami is my favorite process. And then one day she just went to Hagerstown and let the lady pick everything in her backyard, and like a whole bag of it, and bring it for me. And I cut that kalami for 3-4 hours. I was on there because I didn't care. The work wasn't too much, but that's how you cook the kalami. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comments. Let me know what question you have for me under the comments. Please let it don't be rude comments, but that's how I look at it with rice. You can eat it with whatever thing you want to eat it with. Your choice. It's going through your stomach. That will be your recipe, not mine. But thank you guys so much for watching the video. See you later. Bye bye.